Rewriting your reality. How small shifts shape big change. Have you ever wished your future could look brighter than your present? Here's the truth. If we keep doing what we've always done, we'll keep getting the same result. But if we want something more, something different, we must begin making small internal changes starting now. Every choice we make today is a seed for tomorrow. But those choices stem from how we think, our inner narratives, beliefs, and patterns. Do we believe in our worth, in our ability to grow? Or are we unconsciously repeating thoughts like, I'll never succeed, it's too late for me, or nothing ever works out? These thoughts may seem small, but they shape the energy we live in. And our energy shapes our world. Change begins not by forcing the external, but by transforming the internal. So what can we do? Start small. Replace one limiting belief with a more empowering one. Not something fake, but something you can truly feel as possible. For example, each day I grow stronger. Or, I'm learning, and every step matters. But here's the key. Don't fight your old thoughts, accept them. Then gently shift your focus. Resistance only makes them stronger. True change comes from love, patience, and honesty. And remember, transformation isn't about pretending to be positive all the time. It's about facing your shadows with compassion, accepting the parts of you you've hidden. Because when you stop rejecting parts of yourself, you stop fighting life. Rewriting your story isn't about becoming someone else. It's about remembering who you were before the world told you who to be. When we make space to observe ourselves without judgment, we begin to see our power more clearly. We recognize that we are not our thoughts, we are the awareness behind them. This shift in perception allows us to reclaim our energy and begin creating life intentionally rather than reacting unconsciously. It's not about changing everything overnight. It's about creating a small opening, a space of clarity where you can choose again. That space, no matter how small, is your power. And with each conscious breath, each gentle step, you rewrite your future from the inside out.